சேனல் ஷோ மாதிரி ஆகிப்போச்சு. சேனல் எல்லாம் ஷோ பண்ண போகும்போது everyone appreciate each other. Anyways, I'm so happy. எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் கூட கன்னடம் தெரியாது. Like either I'll speak in English. I'm surprised to see Vasu sir speaking such good Kannada. For me, it's very good Kannada because since I can't speak a little bit Kannada also. I'm so happy to be a part of Drisha to be saying very formal, but as sir rightly said, we were actually a family. Um, for me, as an actor, I need so much of love towards my fellow actors while acting. Like if a husband character or a lover character or a son character or a daughter character, I need to feel that kind of love inside my heart for me to perform. And I'm so happy that these three people, I'm mostly associated with them in the film. Most of the time I'm inside that house and all. So I really got it because of their cooperation also. And of course in Malayalam I have acted a few number of films, so not in other languages. For me, this is one of my favorite shooting film. Like, you know, while shooting, this is, as sir said, I'm very much attached to everyone in the location. And for me, I never felt that I am coming from another language because I talk to everyone in Malayalam. Nobody restricted it. In the beginning, 2-3 days, sir told me, speak in English, speak in Tamil, speak in Kannada and all. But after that, he started understanding my Malayalam, including Sitaram sir. I'm happy because Sitaram sir worked in a lot of Malayalam films, so he can understand my Malayalam. So Ammai Akkada, Ammai Ikkada, and then he will say all Malayalam, korchu, 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 right, and all. He will talk to me. And Vasu sir is a Malayali, so I can talk to him in Malayalam. And producers are Malayalis, and sir knows Tamil very well. And I don't know these people, these Unnati and Aruhi, they can't speak Malayalam, but I talk to them in Malayalam and they understand Malayalam. I'm surprised about that, and the kind of love we had in the location. Even I should really thank my director because the film is a serious film. It's a very emotional film. But in the beginning, in the first half and all, between the husband and wife, yeah, it's a very emotional and serious film. But between the husband and wife, there is a kind of chemistry with a lot of comedy, right? It's more humorous, and he gave the permission. Sir gave the permission. Whenever I tried to, since he can understand Malayalam, whenever I say a dialogue in Malayalam, which is a counter to whatever sir is saying, he accepted it. He said, yeah, it's good. It's giving a good thing. Because he can understand Malayalam, he accepted it. And also, they could give that proper Kannada thing for that counter which I'm saying. So, without a director with such a free mind, we cannot perform so openly. And about the actor Ravichandran sir, I have never seen his other movies, but for me, the actor is like who is standing in front of me. He always gives such a good vibe and such a good positivity. I don't know how much difficult it was for him to reciprocate to whatever I was doing, because since my language is another, I'm coming from Malayalam, I must be pronouncing the words in a wrong way, but he was always supportive. So I think I could do well. And of course, the producers are from our side, so they were all naturally we were having a good rapport. And sir is one hero which I have, Ravichandran sir is one hero which I have seen who is so much affectionate and passionate and compassionate towards everyone in the location, not only to one person or. part I have seen.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವರು ಯಾವಾಗ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ.
The plus point of
ನಮ್ದು ನೋಡೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಿಡ್ ನೈಟ್ ಮಸಾಲ
the plus point of the songs were like I love this song called Yamma Yamma.
ನಾನು ಉಳಿದ ರಾತ್ರಿ 11:30 ಮಿಡ್ ನೈಟ್ ಮಸಾಲ ಬರೋದು ತಪ್ಪು.
So I love that song and I have used that song lyric in the film. While scene I had used it because in the movie
ಬೇರೊಬ್ರದ್ದು ಫುಲ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನಂದು ಒಂದು ಹಾಡ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು.
And that song I have seen Navile Navile. I love that song, the kind of picturization he had made for that song. And he is one director who has made the actresses look so beautiful. That from the songs which I have seen.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅರಳುತ್ತದೆ.
The one song which I have seen, the Saundarya ma'am. I
Bangaru.
really love that song also.
Sipai.
Yeah, the shots also I really love. And sir, I'm so happy and I feel, not for a formality, I really feel blessed to work with Ravichandran sir and Vasu sir. I don't know about this part because since I have not seen his films, but it must be entertaining for the audience. That's why they have accepted all the films. But I'll tell you one thing from what I have heard from his what I have heard from him is that he says women is the best creature which has been made by God. So the most beautiful creature. So this kind of a statement can be made only by a good human being. So I don't know about the glamour, about the. I also tell him that every song has a Miley that peacock feather and all. But he is a very good human being.
You have done that Rangoli, with the peacock after going.
For my Onam celebration, I have updated it in my Insta. If you can watch, I have made a Rangoli with a peacock, but
Not that intention.
Not
not
my
with that intention. But there was this is the hangover of Mr. Ravichandran, which you made a Rangoli, not a Rangoli, flower, pookalam is attapu. For our Onam. So if he is calling for a film, he knows who I am.
There's a mutual respect
So-
between the hero and heroine, director and the heroine.
So he will call me only for what I really deserve.
ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್. ಅವ್ರು ಗ್ಲಾಮರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಾ ಇಲ್ವ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
See, there is a difference, there is a thin line between sensuality and sexuality. If you're talking about sensuality, I'm all there.
Yeah.
That's it.
ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ವೆನ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ದೇ ನೋ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಟ್ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಅದೆಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು.